Yeah, I could do, what does I say? Wait, edit this out. Hello YouTube, it's me again. I'm gonna do another little short tool video here. I picked up, well actually a friend of mine picked this up. I don't know if I made a video of this one yet. Another blacksmith tool. Since I'm making a forge, I'll need some grabbies. These are definitely hand forged. I mean, look at the, hold on, let me turn the light on here. There we go. You can see it's like, there's nothing universal about this thing. Like, it's got some use and abuse. It's cool though, like, I mean, you think about it, all these people are blacksmiths. I mean, you made your own tools. You didn't just go to the hardware store and be like, oh, I gotta buy one of those. So yeah, that's a tool I picked up. I also picked up another Samson vice grip. The only thing is this one has a little bit of a bend problem. So I'm gonna use my arbor press here, if I can find an end piece for it. You know, I'm going, actually I'll probably just cut the bolt off because something's supposed to be on there. And I'll bend it back into shape. So now I have, how many Samsons do I have? Where's the other ones? Where did they go? Where are they? I don't know. Probably put them in the drawer. Anyway, I got 3 of these now and I got 2 Mastercraft coming. So that's part of my collection. What else? I also picked up a brand new pencil file sharpener for the kids. Boston pencil sharpener. Check this out. This is what I like about old school stuff. You take your pencil and, you know, all the other ones you stick to, the other ones you stick your pencil in and you gotta, like, you know, one's on. This one's cool. You push the button here, put the pencil in there, and then basically you just pull this out like that. Grips your pencil. Then depending which hand you are, you go like this. And it pulls the pencil forward. Isn't that cool? Perfect. Look at that. Anyway, that's, bought it for the kids because they like playing with pencil sharpeners. That's cool. Anyway, that's the end of this video. I got something else I'm gonna put on video, and we will hop to the next one. Thanks for watching. I like making short videos because most people got short attention spans. So stay tuned. Enjoy. There will be some work videos thrown in here too. So.